I raise my hand. First of all, I'm very excited because, and I'm very thankful because since 2013, we've been sharing this song on stage. And what I feel every time we perform it goes beyond what one can explain in me and what I can feel and how the energy feel changing each of the rooms we do it is so profound. So have now so beautiful people doing some measurements about it. Do we have that? Like on paper, it's amazing. Even the beautiful plants singing, for me, is just extremely, I'm very excited, but also extremely thankful. For today, I wanted just to share a bit, where's the origin behind it? And I like that it happens after we have the experience, because then it's really something that comes after. And what happened there is that a consciousness, angelical consciousness, Elohim, called Naila, came to me. Naila. It's always an exchange, a conversation, and it was, would it be possible to create, we want to send you a message to reopen a portal in Manchester. And that the purpose of that portal and to reopening, and I'm going to summarize in 3 points. The first one is to allow us to feel the consciousness of love beyond what we have experienced, going to the consciousness of love, universal, cosmic, going to deeper. And I believe from all the experience, you do feel that way. The second thing that happens is it opens up an etherical crystalline consciousness that start vibrating. And it's very much goes sensitive in the heart. So that's why the crystal, what start to happen with that is that it helps to open more our heart. And the third intention, purpose behind it, which I actually loved, is to go so in a deeper, profound state of forgiveness that actually that word forgiveness disappeared from the field. We got in that state of forgiveness that the word forgiveness is not needed anymore. And the way I receive the messages, in order to share them, they are through what they call the language of consciousness. And it comes in 3 ways. The first way is through sound, through consciousness sound. The second way is through consciousness movement. And the third way is through color and form. So in the first way, the sound, it's really to get in contact with the universal sound, to get in touch with magnetism. And the second one is to get in touch with time and electricity, with the movement. And with the third one is to get in touch with the structure, space and time, and with electromagnetism. When they send me this message to create the music, first they send me something that it's called in consciousness language, which is the sound, be you, be love. They send something that is tialia halio. Then they said, be me, be you, see love. They send the message, eahi hialahama. And the third part, for all is well in love, and it was Tiamania Hama. And as also Krishna was mentioning, it's exactly for that purpose, is love yourself, love the others, we are one. And when I brought these sounds to Robert, then they gave me codes. The codes, I have it here too. The codes, each of them that I said, they were the codes. So I brought it, and then they say, now bring it to Robert. he'll create a music to it. So I come with my codes, I come with the sounds and say, create a music. So Robert said, Tialihayalu, what? he said, how are we going to make people be able to sing this? Could you ask for the essence? Because there is not really a translation, there's not a meaning to the language of consciousness, because it's just vibration, it's consciousness. But say, can you give me the essence? And this is how I ask Naila, can you give us an essence in a language where everybody could join and sing? And that's how we come, be you, beloved. Well, what we sang today. But this is all the essence behind. But in the third form, there is the movement. And what the movement does is exactly goes and help to change the energy field, the consciousness field, through light. So it's like all your body and your hands become lasers of light that helps to change everything. It's like a movement. So it was for be you, be love, be you, be me, see love. I awake my light through love, for all is well in love. And what's very beautiful is when we are on stage and everybody is singing and everybody is doing the movements, and then we reflect the codes, and I also behind say the consciousness sounds. It creates a gestalt, and it's incredible. So for me, I'm just here, and I'm thankful, I'm grateful. I said thank you to all of you. Thank you, CP, for creating this, and hope you to see you soon. And I cannot wait for the results.
What Lily shared there, quite clearly why I'm always in tears when I sing or hear that song. It's so beautiful. And clearly now I've got some insights as to why the tears come. You know, beauty always invokes tears in me. And now I know the source of those words. Wow, well, I have more understanding now. Thank you so much, Lily.
Yes, let's talk about it, because I think we will be I know why those geometries came out. I have the inside behind, so it's going to be fun to share. Thank you.
Yeah, by the way, John, meet Lily. This Lily, meet John. I've been wanting you to meet for a while.
Like a dish of course. So it's a next time, no? Could you hold up those codes just for a minute?
So these are the three. I receive a lot of times the codes in a package of 3, and that's why the song is also in the package of 3. But I think you can see it better this way, I think. I printed 2 ways to see.
Wow.
Can you make that available?
Yes.
Okay. That would
You
be
see,
the best.
and what this does is it boosts, as you can see, I have it here. It's a boost for oneness. And it helps you to, I also have it here, it's the next level of forgiveness, as I said, where we actually, for me, that's my goal with this song. So that's at some point we say, oh, I don't remember that word. Where was that word? It's because you don't need it anymore. It's not necessary. Everything is harmonized. Everything is in oneness. So no more need of that.